Hello world. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on a fascinating journey, one that might change the way we move forever. We're diving deep into the intersection of artificial intelligence and transportation. From the time of horse-drawn carriages to the present era of smart cars, transportation has always been a canvas for innovation, and now it's the playground for AI. Artificial intelligence, the marvel of modern technology, is taking the driver's seat in the transportation industry. Autonomous cars, intelligent traffic management systems, drone deliveries, all possible due to the power of AI. But it's not just about smart vehicles, it's about a smarter society. Imagine a world where traffic jams are a relic of the past, where road accidents are drastically reduced, where your pizza flies to you on a drone. That's the world AI promises. But how does AI achieve this? Through learning and adapting. AI uses complex algorithms, learning from vast amounts of data, making decisions based on patterns. Just like how we humans learn, but at a scale and speed we can only dream of. As we stand on the cusp of this AI revolution, it's not just our commutes that will change, it's our cities, our lifestyle, our world. We have a chance to redefine what it means to move. But this revolution comes with responsibility. As we advance, we must ensure we're not leaving behind ethical considerations, like job displacement and data privacy. Technology should serve us, not the other way around. One of the most exciting developments in AI transportation is the rise of self-driving cars. Self-driving cars use a variety of sensors, including cameras, radar, and lidar, to navigate the road without human input. While self-driving cars are still in the early stages of development, they have the potential to revolutionize transportation. Self-driving cars could make transportation safer, more efficient, and more accessible. They could also help to reduce traffic congestion and pollution. In addition to self-driving cars, AI is also being used to improve traffic management. AI-powered traffic lights can adjust their timing in real time to improve traffic flow. AI can also be used to monitor traffic conditions and identify potential problems. This information can be used to send alerts to drivers and to reroute traffic around congested areas. AI is also being used to make transportation more efficient. For example, AI can be used to optimize the routing of delivery trucks. This can help to reduce fuel consumption and emissions. AI can also be used to schedule public transportation more efficiently. This can help to reduce wait times and improve ridership. AI is transforming transportation in a number of ways. Self-driving cars, improved traffic management, and more efficient transportation are just a few of the ways that AI is changing the way we get around. As AI continues to develop, we can expect to see even more amazing innovations in transportation. That's all for today, folks. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the future. Join us next time as we unravel another layer of the tech that's shaping